Yeah, hello. So greetings to you once again. Um, Now this is the video, okay? And then this is a simple demonstration on how the system works, okay? So I want to take my time and then explain from A to Z how the system itself works. All right. So this is the home page, and then you can see from there. These are the links available. Okay, so hold on, come on. All right, so these are the links available. Okay, so you can see contact us, use products and equipment, track package, about us and place order. Okay, so this is the home page, and then you can see some products there. So like we discussed about the project. It's not a fully e-commerce website unless we upgrade it in the future. But for now, this is the way the best way they can use it. So when they come, the products are here, okay. So they can request for a quote. The products are the low prices because they have to request for a quote. Once you request for a quote, then you fill the form, okay. This is the form that they will fill to request for the quote of the product that they want. So once they do that, then on the admin system, everything will be sent to the admin system. But for now, let me show you the contact us and how everything is well designed in the page. So you can see this is the contact us. So the address and then the form. This form, when they fill it, will go to the admin email, and then this is the location. So location, we added Google imagery, okay, in the map, so they can actually zoom and see the location. And then if you come to products and equipment, okay, when you come there, you see a lot of the product, the food or the food stuffs that he sells. All right, the foods that he sells. So we explore our top rated products we ship worldwide. So cassava, banana, um, cassava, boiler chicken meat, buffalo wing, fresh yam from farm, and fresh prawns. So the products are so when they are interested, they will just place an order here. Okay, once they place their order, they will come here and fill this form. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this form, okay, and then we will submit the form. And don't forget to the terms and condition and policy privacy. They are all working. They were. I took everything from the documents you gave me, and then everything is in points here. So you can go through yourself, and then you let me know, and then the terms and conditions as well. So I'm going to fill this form right now. Okay, then you'll see how the form will be sent and how we can process the order. So I want to explain it today so you can understand. So they will fill their name. So my name is Jerry. Okay, then my email is Godwin. So I'm going to use this email. All right, so I'm going to use this email, and then the phone number 026, and then the delivery address is box MC Accra. All right, so the city will be Accra. The product name will be, maybe we need pepper. All right, so the description will be fresh pepper from farm and well meats. Okay, so here they will type in the quantity that maybe they need, maybe 5. All right, and then the delivery preference, either standard, express, or self pickup. So on a normal basis, you pick standard, and then now the second one, this side you upload a picture. Okay, so I'll go here and then I'll come to images, then picture. So I'll upload the pepper picture. Okay, then I'll add a little note. So maybe please make sure it's neat and well arranged. I hope you understand. So this is it. So once they fill this form and they send an email, okay, it's going to send the notification to the admin, and the admin will process it. So I'm going to place the order. Let's wait and see the next thing. Fill this form again. So let me change this image. Okay, I want to upload a different image so you can go faster. So I'm going to upload this image. Yeah, let me try again. All right, so you can see the image has been uploaded successfully. So now that it has been uploaded, it will take us to the successful page. Okay, so once it has been uploaded right now, when we check our email, okay, so I'll go to Gmail to check my email inbox. So the admin will get a message, and that message is what I'm coming to show you in the Gmail. All right, so I'm going to log into this Gmail, and then we'll take a look at the message. And from there, I'll take you to the admin system. Okay. Let me just open the admin system. I will show you the mail later. I'm going to open the admin system. All right, so the admin system, to open it, you add the admin, and then all right, so this is the administration system for the website. All right, so I'm going to log in as an admin. Then we will check the order that we just placed, this particular order we just placed, how we can process this order. Okay, so I'm going to log into the admin system here. My internet is somehow slow. All right, so this is the admin system. All right, and then all the menus, these are the operations. So I'll take my time and explain each of them. Okay, they all play a specific role that contribute to the system management. So the order that we just placed right now, so we want to view the order. Okay, we want to view the order. So we will come to view new orders on the admin system. When you go to view new orders, it's going to display the order, every order the new visitor place, they will all show here. All right, so you can see the name is Jerry, and then the phone number, the person's email, the address, city, and then the dates, the status. So this status simply means it's like you have to, for a notice that you have not attended to this. Okay, if you have attended to this, meaning it's completed. So once you process, you do a follow-up with them, make sure they are the product that they want, everything, then everything is done. You come to update status. All right, then this status you send to approve. Okay, if you have not attended to the person or the person's issue was not resolved, it maybe didn't meet the business criteria, you just have to reject it, or just don't even do anything. So I'm going to approve this particular order for the person. Then with this, the person will get another email notification, okay, through his email. I'm trying to log into the mail. So you can see right now the status is completed. So meaning this particular order has been taken care of. Okay. So when I come to view order, you can see the picture that the person upload. This is the picture. And then he wants to buy, the person wants to buy pepper. Okay. This is just a demo. It's like a demo. That's why I uploaded this one. The quantity 5. The delivery price standard. The date that the person requested is 2nd of June 2025. Okay, and the time, and then the status is now completed, meaning you have attended to this person, and then the additional with the description. So all the informations will be displayed here correctly for you to manage the system. Okay, so once you are done with this, some of the features that we added is a bonus. Okay, so once you are done with this, let's say you want to now ship the product or the foodstuffs or whatever it is to the person's location, whilst the person can track, okay, the specific product. Let's say what you are doing, what I say, which you are placing order sites, no, so why be now over admin system now. What now? Once we have attended to this, let's say I then you see a shipping manual, okay, so you go to here, post customers items, what I say. That's what I say, oh, shipping idea from state to state, maybe UK to Ghana. Okay, so you fill in the person's details here. This is like a bonus, like I said, it is a bonus. So you fill the person's details here and what the person wants to buy, like what the person is buying and everything, to let the person know that the item is on the way coming. Okay, so I'm going to fill these details here with the person's info, like I'm shipping the thing. So the person's name is Jerry. All right, it's Jerry. And the person's email is Godwin J's. This email is giving me headache. Okay, so Godwin J's. Now when I'll type in the person's phone number, okay, so it's going to be like this. This is a person's phone number, and then the package name may be bag of pepper. All right, then here, if you are shipping the item, the tracking code or the package code, the tracking code that they will give it to you, can type it here. So maybe 667898334. Okay, that's the tracking code. Then the CBM is the when they weigh the package. Okay, they put it on the scale, the weight. So the CBM can be 255. All right. Then the shipping rate. So with this one, this is mainly for shipping. So the rates will be depending on how it charge. Okay, so it's going to be 0.255. all right, and then from maybe Ghana and then to United Kingdom, all right, and the current state where the item is right now, so maybe Koto International Airport. All right, then the status right now is on processing. or you can put it on pending. Okay, so the address will be, so delivery address, that is where the package is going into UK. Okay, so maybe Bristol City. Then now the product type, so either the product delivery type, so either it is doorstep or mail delivery or in person. So I'm going to choose mail delivery. Okay, then the date that the product has been shipped to the person, so maybe 3, and the description, so maybe package has been sent. All right, so now I'm going to save this. When I send this package, the same users are going to get they're going to get an email notification. I don't know, I want to open the Gmail so you can have access, you can have a look at this. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Let me check and see. My network is not stable. So settings, all right, so let me check, let me try and log in here and see if it will come. I want to show you the emails, the emails that we will be receiving in our email, so that you can understand the system more better. So 178. All right, so I think I've successfully logged into the Gmail. All right, okay, so you can see right now, this is the order we just made. Okay, so in the admin system, the admin will receive this email. Okay, everything of the particular order the person made. Then once the admin also approve, okay, the order on the admin system, like I showed you, once the admin approve this one here, this is it. So dear Jerry, great news, your order has been approved and now being processed. We will notify you once it's shipped. Thank you for shipping with Oyerepa Afromini markets. So okay, so that is how the system works. And now I want to now submit this package. Okay, this one I want to submit it. So it's the same thing. You're also going to receive an email of the package ship. So you can see item shipping details has been shipped. Okay, so when I come here right now and then I refresh the page, you can see right now, so item tracking details. So below is the current state of the package. So receiver name, receiver contact, receiver address, Bristol, so delivery type, packaging tracking code, okay, then the CBM, then the shipping rates, then the tracking number. So this tracking code, okay, this tracking code is for you personally, where you give it to your customers when the package reach. It's not a packaging code that they're going to track in the website. The one that they will track in the website is this tracking number OYE88754. This is the one they're going to track. Then the description, package has been sent. Okay. Then the package location, Kotoka International, departure date Monday 8/6. So you can see it works just like that. And then now the data order status is pending. So right now the order is in pending. So to track the item detail, visit this website and use your tracking number, okay, to track it. So this is the tracking number. So when I go here straight, it's supposed to open the website, then I'll track. It's simply as that. So the customers can always track the package with this tracking number, okay. So I'm going to copy this, then I'll track it here. So you can see it's going to show me the package where it has gotten to. So you can see manage and view package details. So this is the tracking number and the package code, then the package name, bag of pepper, receiver's address, delivery type, the status is pending, and then item current states, okay. So you can see from here. So that is how basically it works. This is how it works. So this is the history. So now the next thing I'm going to show is, you see, now that we ship the item, okay, the item is on the way now. So when I come here, update orders tracking, okay. When I come here, now you can see that this package is already on the move going. So now the status is pending, okay. So now as the package is on, let's say it is now at the Kotoka International Airport, okay, and then we now want to, maybe it has been moved, it's on the way, it's on plane, so we want to update the customers for them to know. So you simply come here, then we go to update details, all right, then we will select the date that we want to update it, you know. So enter the current state, so maybe on air, all right, then we will just put same processing, it should be processing just like that. So we will update it once again. So item has been shipped. So right now, once it has been processing, you can see the processing is showing processing here. Then now if I refresh here, it's supposed to display. It's supposed to display it here. The more we update, it's supposed to display all the list here. When I'm done, I'm going to fix this particular one so that it will show the list. Okay, I'm going to do this one when I'm done. So this is how it basically works. So the customers can always log in and track their package, okay, and once the item has reached, they can still update it, okay, maybe it has gotten to the location. So the more you update, the same thing, they're also going to get the notification. So you can see right now when I did the update, so item updates, so current state, okay, it's on air, now it's on processing. So the more you update, you update till the package reach the current state. So maybe United Kingdom, okay, airports, then now says completed. So this is how to manage the admin system. So this is for the shipping side, and then this is for the where they place the orders. And if you want to check the order status, the one that are in processing, the orders that are on pending, the orders that are completed, you can check all of them here. So when I go to processing, it's supposed to display all orders that are on processing. If there isn't any, it's not going to display. I hope you understand. So this is how basically, this is how this is how it works. All right, and it's just very simple like that. All right, so right now what we are going to do, I'm going to talk about is the invoice generator. Okay, the invoice. So we have two invoice in this, so you can generate the invoice. You can generate the invoice through just a normal invoice. So we have a managed invoice. Okay, so this is a shipping invoice, and we have a general normal invoice. So I'll start with the general normal invoice. So I'll go to generate invoice. All right, when I go to generate invoice, I'm coming to fill this form to generate an invoice automatic. All right, so it's just simple like this. So with this one, we are going to generate an invoice to a customer. Maybe you want to generate an invoice to one of your customers to make payments. All right, so we are going to put in the details, maybe Jerry Jones, and then the email is Godwin, then the phone number is 026, then the address. Okay, so the address will be box MC. All right, so this is a customer's address. Then the dates, so maybe, then the service name. So the service name will be maybe Pepe, okay, or foodstuffs, or let me make it Pepe. All right, because it's Pepe I'm really working on. And the unit price maybe is 10 cedis. Now the quantity we want to buy is maybe 5. Now you can add more list. So you want to add more, then you come here, maybe meat, okay, goods, maybe good meat, okay. Then now the unit price maybe 20 cedis, all right, or dollars. I don't know how, but it's in, this one is in dollars though. So the quantity will be maybe 10. Okay, so once it's done like this, you just generate the invoice. So this invoice is an invoice builder. It already has your company details, address, and everything, and the customer's details will be here. So the rest will be the list. So now I'm going to generate the invoice. Okay, so right now when I refresh, I'm supposed to get an email here. So this invoice, you can send it to the customers. All right, so this is it. So dear Jerry Jones, you have received a new invoice from Oyerepa Afromini Market. Okay, so this is the invoice. So when I open it here, it's well designed with the company logo, and then the invoice number, the company details here, and then the customer details is here. And now you can see, so the service name, the unit price. So this one you have to let me know either we are dealing with dollars or pounds or cedis, then I will change it. And then the total, all right. Then here the payment details. So the payment details, you have to provide me your payment details to receive your money. Then I'll fix them all here, including your bank. And then this is a terms and condition. Okay, so this terms and condition you can also go through. If it doesn't suit you, then we change it. The ones that suit you, then we write them well. So this is how the invoice generator is. So this is for a normal basic invoice. All right, so you can also click here to download the invoice. This is it. So this is the URL, automatic URL. So now once you are done with this, if you want to now view the invoice that you did, if you come here, if you go to view all invoice, okay, it's going to display here. So Jerry Jones, the invoice number, and the total amount was 250, the phone number, and then if you want to download the invoice, okay, and here maybe this invoice that you sent, if the customer has paid for the invoice, you just approve their payments here, then you approve, they will get an email notification, the same thing. So this is how it works. So you can see, thank you for your invoice number, has been approved. Thank you for doing business with the company name. All right, So this is how it works. This is how simply it works. So now you can see paid. It is showing that it's paid. I hope you understand. That is how it works. And now this is and if you want to see the items in the particular invoice, when you come to view all invoice products, you can see them all here. So goat meat, the invoice number, the unit price, the quantity. Then you see. Then now this is the shipping invoice, the most important one. So the shipping invoice is different from the normal invoice. Okay, so the shipping invoice deals with shipping itself. Now it's the same thing. I'll fill the customer's details here, then the email of the customer, then the phone number, okay, then the address. So maybe UK, London. All right, then now the date. So the date will maybe 3, then the tracking number. Okay, so this tracking number, is see, when we were shipping the product, the tracking number that was generated, it can be the same tracking number, because the tracking number has to be on the package code. Package code has to be, let me see. All right, this package code, okay, this one, this can be the package code, because this one, when the package is being sealed at the port, this code will be attached to it to identify the customer. So you just simply put in the package code. And now we come to the main shipping invoice. So the shipping invoice is slightly different from the normal basic invoice. This is how the shipping companies it works. So first we type in the description, maybe bag of pepper, okay, so for 200 kg. Then the quantity, maybe 3. Then the CBM. This CBM is like a rate. It's the weight. When the item is a scale, the weight, it will be timed. It will be multiplied by the shipping rates. Okay, so it's going to be 0.255. So this is the CBM. Okay, so you can see, note, the CBM times the shipping rate will give you the price. This is how the shipping companies, this is how it works. So it doesn't work like the basic invoice. Now I'm going to come to add more. So maybe bag of rice. Okay, then now the quantity is maybe 10. Then the CBM will make it 0.355. So this one will be this one will be multiplied by this automatically in the system. Then it will give the price. So now that we are done, I'm going to generate the invoice for the shipping, and it just works. It seems like the basic, just that the shipping and the CBM rate is slightly different. Now when I refresh, I'm supposed to receive another email. Okay, this is like from the shipping invoice. So when I open this invoice, all right, so you can see the logo. So shipping invoice. So tracking, this is the tracking number. So this tracking number will help the user to identify the package once it's arrived. And then this is your company's profile details, and then the user's details too as well, and then the description. So you can see this times this is going to be $58.65. And then the rate, there's always this how it with the CBM. The CBM is multiplied by the rate and is given in the total. So this will be the grand total here. All right, and then the same thing, we have to fix the mobile money details here, and then make sure you go to the terms and conditions as well if there are any mistakes, and you fix everything. So I think this is the end of the video. So everything is working perfect. If you want to see all the invoices that you've sent from the shipping, you come to view all invoices, okay, and you can see that it's here. The total amount was $140. And then if you want to download that invoice, you click here, and it's like I say, it works the same. Once you have attended, if this invoice has been paid, you simply click here, then you click approve. Then once you approve, it will show here like paid. I hope you understand. So this is how basically the admin system works. So there are a lot in, and that's all I've explained to you. If there have to be a different future, it's always going to be future updates. Thank you very much. So right now you can track your package here. Okay, you can track your package here, and then just like that. So it works perfect. Everything is working perfect, like expected. And the few changes, I'll do it from this side. I'll just have to display, because the more you update the invoice, it has to show all the histories here, the history since from Kutuka to UK, okay, so that the customer can know that, oh, maybe it was in transit. When it goes to this place, it was here. When it goes to this side, it was here. And this will help the customer to build a solid trust for your business. So thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I will be fixing those simple mistakes we just saw. But make sure you provide me your payment details, and make sure the terms and condition is also reviewed. I'll send you some of the document, the invoices, then you can also go through and check. So thank you very, very much once again. If you have any problem, you can jot down some of your listing and then let me know. Thank you.